If you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math-orific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Slime Cream Sundae.
It's me, right, Lily? I'm taller.
I'm totally taller.
The answer is Max. No, wait, it's Goo.
Yay!
Huh? Goo?
Now it's Max again.
The Scream Screen surprised me.
The Scream Screen always surprises Goo.
The Scream Screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there.
oh, it's Mr. Slime Cream Monster.
He drives the slime cream truck.
Slime cream sundaes are so chewy.
They're mucky.
They're gucky.
They're monster-licious.
Silly monsters.
Oh, I am in big monster trouble.
What's wrong, Mr. Slime Cream Monster?
Monsters keep ordering slime cream sundaes.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, but then they get really mad at me.
Oh, that's bad.
Well, they keep telling me that I've got their order wrong. Can you help me?
I'm sure we can. Monster Math can do anything.
Well, you'd better come quick. If I don't get this figured out, I won't be able to sell any more slime cream sundaes.
Oh, no! No more sundaes! No! We have to do something!
I know, Goo. I bet Monster Math can help out Mr. Slime Cream Monster.
Yeah, Monster Math can solve any problem.
For sure! Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Yes! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster!
Today's secret monster math word is all.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
All!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, silly me.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go to the slime cream truck. Hi, Mr. Slime Cream Monster.
Ah! Oh, it's you, Monster Math Squad.
Oh no! Sundae on the ground! Someone get me a spoon.
Goo, you shouldn't eat things off the ground. Besides, we need to help Mr. Slime Cream Monster fix his problem.
Oh, okay.
So, what's up, Mr. Slime Cream Monster?
Oh, I've got big problems. This is terrible. I think I've made Mr. Cranky Pants Monster very...
Cranky?
Yes! I'm trying to order 3 slime cream sundaes, and he's only giving me 1.
Oh, Sundays.
Why don't you give him 3?
No, but I'm trying. I really am. Watch me count the sundaes. 1, 2, and 3. Here you go. This is 3.
Well?
Now, let me count how many sundaes I have. 1. That's all!
No licking, Goo.
What am I doing wrong?
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word. All! Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2,
I'm 1 all by myself. We're 2 when I'm with you. Together we're 3 when you add me. When you count us up to be a superstar, remember, the last number is how many we all are.
Thanks, Monster Math Monitor. It looked like the last number you count is the number for the whole group. I think that can help us.
Well, that sounds like math to me. Okay, Monster Math Squad, let's do
Monster
Math!
Okay, we need to get 3 sundaes.
I know! We need to give him this one, too.
Well, do you have all 3?
Now I have 1, 2.
Do you think Goo got it right?
No, he did not. I only have 2.
Oh, but it still looks so good.
Boy, no licking sundaes on the ground. We still need to get 3 sundaes for Mr. Cranky Pants. Come on, let's look at the math monitor again. How many monsters? 1, 2, 3. 3 monsters in the group. And how many sundaes? 1, 2, 3 sundaes.
Are you monster tricking me? That's what I counted. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3.
But remember what the math monitor showed us? I'm 1 all by myself.
And we're 2 when I'm with you.
And together we're 3 when you add me.
I can do this. Count them up. Be a superstar. The last number is how many they all are. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. So all of them together are 3.
Finally!
Yeah! We did it! So close, and yet so far.
Are you happy now, Mr. Cranky Pants?
No, I'm not happy. I'm never happy. But my belly kind of is. Good riddance!
Thank you so much, Monster Math Squad. But, I'm not sure I can help the next customer all by myself next time.
Well, here's your chance. Another customer.
It's Smooth Moves Monster.
Yo, I need 4 slime cream sundaes with extra slime and make them super duper gooper slimy.
That sounds tasty.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So far, so good.
And next, I'm really struggling. Oh, no, I can't remember all the steps.
Did you just see Word Monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word, all, together again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, all!
Look, a monster math monitor.
I'm 1 all by myself. We're 2 when I'm with you. Together we're 3 when you add me. And now 1 more. Our group is 4. When you count us up to be a superstar, the last number is how many we all are.
That's great, Monster Math Monitor. Now, hopefully Mr. Slime Cream Monster can remember that the last number he says is the number for all the sundaes put together.
The last number I say is how many they all are. Okay, I'll give it a try. Oh, I'm so nervous. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them together are 4. So I'll give him all 4.
Yo, Mr. Slime Cream, that's exactly how many I wanted. Lots of slime sublime.
You did it, Mr. Slime Cream Monster! All by yourself.
I did, didn't I? Oh, thanks for showing me how to count today. You guys are monster-awesome!
Now we should probably get Goo a Slime Cream Sundae.
Yeah, if we don't get him one soon, he might...
What?
This Sunday's on me. And that's my last one.
Woohoo!
See you monsters later!
Bye!
Sharesies! Slime cream sundaes are so gooey.
They're mucky.
They're gunky.
They're monster-licious.
Aw, thanks, guys. Yummy!
Well done, Monster Math Squad. We helped Mr. Slime Cream Monster, and we saved the Slime Cream truck.
And we did it by knowing that the last number you count is the number for the whole group.
Great job, Monster Math Squad. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We did the math! We did the monster math!